Welcome to the next section of the SwiftUI tutorial from Apple. This is a continuation, section 4, drawing and creating shapes. Let's dive into the code. Getting right into the code, in section 4, we're going to combine the badge foreground and background. The badge design calls for a mountain shape to be rotated and repeated multiple times on top of the badge background. Define a new type of rotation, leverage the for each view to apply the same adjustments to multiple copies of the mountain. Sorry, let me grab my glasses because I have some issues. All right, step 1. We are going to create a new rotated badge symbol view to encapsulate the concept of a rotated symbol. Experiment, adjust the angle in the preview to test the effect of the rotation. I'm going to command N. Oh, and before we do this, rotated badge symbol. Rotated badge symbol and create. All right. Before we go any further, I did want to hit the source control, commit our changes that we've made. And this is drawing paths and shapes, sections 1 through 3. And we're commit those files. It goes to our repository, and we push that up to the main branch, master original loading, and push. All right, we got that done. Okay, so we are in our rotated badge symbols.swift file, and we need Control I. There we go. Easy, big fella, easy. All right, let angle. You know, I love the way it's so Swifty how these like angle and image and list and all these new classes are so Swift-ish or Swifty. It's really cool. Okay, but let's get back to it. We're gonna put our badge symbol in here. All right, let's see what this does. And in the experiment, it says adjust the angle in the preview to test the effect of the rotation. So right here, that the initializer we just set on the angle, we can adjust that angle. Yeah, it's kind of lopsided. Let's do 10. Let's do 90. Maybe that'll give us some more rotation on the picture. Oh, maybe not. Let's go 15 maybe. Yep, it's moving off, kind of tilted off to the right, so that's pretty cool. Get back to 5. Give this a little bit more space. All right, we can see it in the recording, so we're good. Okay, we're in step 2. We got to go in the badge.swift and lay the badges symbol over the badge background by placing it in a Z-stack. And we're going to badge.swift. Just see our badge symbol on top of our badge. There it is. All right. As it appears now, the badge symbol is too large compared to the intended design and the relative size of background. Correct the size of the badge by reading the surrounding geometry and scaling. Okay, oh, there it is. Smaller now. Okay, add a for each to the view, rotate the display copies of the badge symbol. A full 360-degree rotation split into 8 segments creates a sun-like pattern by repeating the mountain symbol. Boom, geometry. Very nice. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the button below, and I'll talk to you later.